So XO-1 speed run with a deep boot hoons. So see what she does. I'm having range issues right now. I don't know if I'll cut this video. Anyways, so we'll do, you can see it reading. Stop, read, 5 miles an hour. So we go track, start, and see. I'm gonna stand on the tailgate, okay, bud? Okay, here we go. Oh, somebody's coming, hold on. Hold on, my babies. Oh, 2 vehicles. 3 vehicles. It's busy today, guys. Oh yeah, it's busy. Oh yeah, I can see much better from here, guys. Can you see it, Elijah? Okay, I won't be able to go very far because of the antenna. Do I have control right there? I do. Okay, I'm gonna make it a short run. Okay, antenna went out. Come on, come on, come on. Antenna went out, guys. Come on. Okay. Hold on, guys. Come on. I'll be right back. Come on. Wow, that range is very limited. There it goes. Cut out again, yep. Oh, that was smooth. Wow. Did you see it, bud? What's that? Hold on, baby. You want lunch? Let me see what she did. I don't think she did more than 85. It's hard to tell. I was trying to worry about the range. Let's see. So we'll do stop, read. We did 90. Oh wow, 99 miles an hour. So if I had a little more range, she'd go faster for sure. So 99 for the first test run or speed run. That's pretty good. I'll take it. So the XO-1 again. Everything's stock. Except for I'm running Spectrum batteries. Oh yeah, with more, so I need a better antenna. This the guy that sold me said the receiver was bad. That's what he meant. But 99 is still pretty damn good. Screenshot that. So I'll give it a shot. And anyways, again, running adapters. I know it's a no-no, but they're not hot, and I use 10 gauge when I solder these. So anyways, all right, so thanks for watching. And I do have the deep boot hoons on there from the felony. That's all 4 rear. So anyways, cool. All right, 99, I'll take that. Too bad I couldn't go just a little faster, but it has it in her for sure, 100%. So okay, thanks for watching. Oh, let me tell the kids. Guess how fast we got? Okay, we'll go to Wendy's and we can use a body key. I got 99 miles an hour.
I'm hungry.
What would you guess? 62?
Yeah.
I got 99.
I'm hungry.
Okay. Oh, you broke the ladder? Yeah. That's okay, babies. We'll go get some food.